Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Joker, and today we're doing a product review. So there's two products, they're linked in the description down below if you guys are interested. So the first product that we have is the iPhone stand, and kind of the iPad stand in a way. And I'll explain what's going on here. So you have these two clippers here. Well, not two, but you have one clipper here. Basically you can put your phone, and I'm going to demonstrate that really quick. So you take that and let me put this down really quick. Alright, so I just put my iPhone on that little stand right here, and basically you can have your phone, you can play, you know, like claw or whatever you play like this. You can also adjust it to however you want. So if you want it to spread a little further, you can, and you can also lock it in place. So for example, if I don't want this to move around, I tighten this bolt up. Oh god, I tighten this bolt up like that. Only my camera can focus. There we go. You tighten this up and it won't be moving around. Also, you can adjust it to however you want. So if I want it all the way out, spread out like that, you can lock it right in place and it won't be moving around. So definitely worth it if you're trying to like watch movies or something or play video games. This is the one way to do it. So yeah, this first product is kind of for the iPhones and also kind of for tablets, and I'll explain what's going on here. It comes with this product as well. So if you're buying this iPhone clip thingy with it, it also comes with this big guy. So this is how far it spreads out. You think it's about like 12 inches, but it's not. It's actually quite the opposite. So I'm gonna put the ruler down right here. About 7.5, 7.75. I would say that's for safe. But if you're looking for something bigger, definitely get the other one. So yeah, this thing also comes with it, so you can also have that as well. It can be your iPad stand or iPhone stand. And I'm going to demonstrate that. So right here, you take this little thing, you kind of like unscrew it. You can also like tighten this up if you want to hold it in place. So you're going to untie that and you disconnect it like that. It's really simple, and basically it's like a clip like that, just literally a clip. So, and plus it's really tight, has these really rubbery thing right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so that is right there. Next thing you want to do is untighten this bolt right here, take that out, and take this, put that right there. Take this guy, put it right in here, take this little bolt, connect this bad boy in there. As you guys can see, that's how I connect it. And you tighten this bolt up. Alright, so I connected it, so now all you have to do is tighten this up however you want it. So I'm going to tighten this up like this. So I'm doing it with one hand. Alright, so you do that, and then you put your phone or tablet, whatever you're using. That's how you do it. Alright, moving on to the other stand we have here is the iPad stand. Now this is the one that I use because my iPad is really big, and it can handle about 9. Yeah, it can handle about 9.5 inches. So if you're wondering like if this can fit on your device, just look up around about 9 inches. Let's say to be safe. So 9 inches. And then you take your iPad, plug it like that. Alright, so there is this little lock right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to try to make this. Actually, let's move it a little bit to the left. Alright, so you see this little lock right there? You take that and you unlock it, and then you drag this down, tighten this up as much as you want, like make it pretty tight, and then you just lock it in place. That's it. Next thing you want to do is basically tighten this bolt up however strong you want it to tighten up, and also you want to lock this in place. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Like, you lock it right in place. You can also adjust this, you can lock this as well, like however you want. And yeah, this is how it is. This is what I use for my iPad stand. If I want to watch movies like movie night or something, this kind of helps me out. It doesn't have any problems. And if you want to adjust things, you just tighten the bolts up right down there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. All right, so the next thing that I wanted to talk about is these little things right here. So if you screw these up a little bit, so I'm gonna unscrew it. So you can actually move your device around. So you can do whatever you want, like move it around if you want. And if you're done with that and you want it to be like this, you go ahead and tighten that up. So once you tighten that up, it won't be moving. So it won't be moving at all. And yeah. So yeah, it won't be moving at all. The next thing as well over here, so the iPhone stands, they don't move at all. You tighten that up and it won't be moving. So yeah, these are the products that we sell. If you're interested, go ahead and click on the link in the description, and yeah, it should be there. Yeah, so that is it for this product review. If you guys actually like this kind of stuff, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. It is a really nice product. I honestly enjoy using this one as much as, like, I use it for my gaming experience. Sometimes whenever I get tired or something, I place it right there and I know it's safe and sound. Nobody's gonna touch with it. It won't be falling off or anything like that. Playing a game, I can look at my phone and it's all the chats, and that's really, really safe and simple. You know, honestly, super easy to use, super comfortable. I have no problems with it. It does this job. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.